Just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me.
Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Obsessed. And as you are aware that we are in the month of June, and the month of June is dedicated for skincare and self-care. So this month I will be uploading more videos related to skincare and self-care. And I thought, what better than starting a series with a video which is the most searched thing on Google on a regular basis, and that is how to remove facial hair at home. And especially during these times, during the current pandemics, it is like everybody is so not in a good space, and everybody is like looking for ways to get rid of those facial hair, the peach fuzz and the sideburns. So this video is dedicated to remove your facial hair at home with a painless waxing that is very, very comfortable, and that is what I have adapted during the lockdown. And this has also reduced my facial hair growth. I have like a couple of thick hair around my chin, which has been like gifted by God. It's like those 3-4 thick hair. But since the time I started using this Brazilian hard beans wax, it has reduced a lot. And I think I have started blabbering again. So without blabbering further, let's look into the video and see what is the ingredients that we need to do the waxing. And whatever ingredients that I'm using in this, I would link everything down in the description box. Right, so before we jump into the video and the ingredients and everything, let me take a moment and thank all of you for making it possible for Be Obsessed to reach 16,000 subscribers on YouTube in a very short span of time, and also 7,000 plus followers on Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I would leave the handle in the description box below. Also, you will see somewhere on the screen, I would leave the handle. Also, we have a dedicated men version of Be Obsessed men Instagram handle that has also reached 7,000 plus followers. I would leave the link in the description box below as well. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get cracking into the video and see what is the ingredients or what are the ingredients rather we would need for this video. So let's dive into the video. Let's take a look at the products. Hard Beans Depilatory Stripless Wax, Hard Beans Wax Warming Pot. Now that we have looked into the ingredients that we require, let us look at the benefits before we jump into the video and show you the actual procedure, how you need to do the waxing at home. So the benefits are numerous, but number one benefit is it is painless and it is absolutely safe to be done at home. So you can do this at home even if you are a beginner or even if you have no experience of waxing at all. It will not burn your skin, that is for sure. So that is a number one advantage. And number two is the hair goes away and it stays away for a pretty long time. At least for me, once I do the facial waxing with the stripless hard beans wax, it stays away for almost 3 to 4 weeks. So I am like hair free on my face, and I can apply more makeup and it looks flawless. Even though we are applying makeup and there is nowhere to go right now, but I apply makeup at home to make me feel good and that like quick pick me up. So how many of you apply makeup at home even if you have nowhere to go? Please comment below and let me know. And then the next benefit is that even if you have hard hair, somewhere around the chin, some people have, even I do have, as I told you, and like couple of thick hair around my chin and around my sideburns. So that also removes those thick hair flawlessly, so you will not even feel it once you run your finger around your face. So that is another advantage of this facial waxing. Also, you can remove your blackheads and whiteheads with this facial stripless wax as well, because it helps you to remove all the blackheads that gets accumulated somewhere around your nose and sometimes on your chin and any other part of your face. So that also removes it. And the best part is that there is no problem of ingrown facial hair with this particular wax. So these are all the benefits. Now let's get into the actual video where I show you how you need to use this wax. Wash your face with a mild face wash, and here I'm using the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash and also a facial scrubbing brush. The link of the brush will be in the description box below. Take a minute or so to scrub your face very well with the brush so that you can avoid any ingrown facial hair, and then rinse off with cold water and pat dry. Your skin is ready for waxing. Now pour as much hard beans as you require in the wax warmer. Now switch on the wax warmer and you can see the light is blinking, which means it is getting ready. It has got 4 options: off, on, medium and high. Once the wax is melted, it will automatically switch off. Now with the help of a wooden spatula, you can see the wax is melted to the required consistency. Now you can apply any talcum powder or loose powder if you have handy, else you can totally skip this step. I am using a loose powder from Lakme. Do you see how much hair I have on my sideburns and peach fuzz? With the help of a wooden spatula or stick, apply a thick layer on the areas you want to remove hair, like your sideburns, upper lip, chin, forehead, or full face as per your requirement. Once the wax dries, hold your skin and pull the strip in opposite direction. So just hold your skin like I'm doing here and then pull it in the opposite direction of hair growth, and you will see all your hair coming out in one pull. Always apply the wax in the same direction as your hair growth. If you have blackheads or whiteheads on your nose, the hard beans wax also helps you remove it seamlessly and leaves you a flawless skin. Apply any facial oil, preferably olive oil, and take it in between your palms and give it a good rub. Warm it up in between your palms and then apply it all over your face to remove the remaining wax. Remember, this wax cannot be removed by washing off, and here I am using the Nykaa Skin Potion Anti-Aging Facial Oil. You can use any oil that you have in hand. Olive oil is best, and give it a good massage and you see that how I am removing all this remaining wax from my face. So you just need to apply it very well and let the wax be removed, and then leave on the oil on your skin for some time and then wash it off with any face wash. After washing my face, I have applied my skincare and my face looks very smooth and there is no hair. Little bit of redness because I have super sensitive skin. So I hope you enjoyed the process of watching me do waxing on my face, and by now you know that even if you are not a professional and you are just a novice, or you're someone who is just a beginner, wants to start waxing or removing facial hair at home, this is one of the easiest and the best option. I would suggest you guys to try it out. The product links are there in the description box. You can go check it out, and if you are getting benefited from this particular method of removing your facial hair, do not forget to leave me a comment or tag me on my socials and let me know. Let's spread happiness, guys. And now that we are 16,000 people on YouTube on Be Obsessed Family, let's make it 17,000 in a week's time. So if you like my videos and if you see how much hard work I'm putting in, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment below, and also hit the bell icon so that this month whenever I am uploading a video you get notified. So we'll end today's video here, and I would leave a link of a playlist from my channel which is for skincare that you can utilize entire month of June, also along with the new videos that I'll be uploading throughout the month. And I think we should call it a wrap. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and be obsessed about whatever you do in your life in a positive way. Definitely, that is very important to spread positivity. See you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.